What is up? There's been a long ass time since I made the last video. The last ones when I was doing my LS swap. Yeah! Oh my god. 2019 was basically the year where I basically finished it and did so many events where I got to take this baby and beat the crap out of it. And it's still holding on strong. What I'm gonna do today to this baby, we're gonna be doing a Lambo door kit. Oh, doing Lambo doors. I got this kit off of eBay. You got it for $150 or $125, not too sure. I think in total it came out to like $175. Yeah, it didn't come with the shocks. I guess that's why it was so cheap. But these are 450s. Ooh, 450s. They're yeah, it's specific for my car. You know how eBay goes. We might have to do some modifications to it and to make it fit. Also, we have this as well. It came with all this right here. Zip ties. I don't know what this is for. No, I don't know. What is it? Came with this. I guess it's for to adjust this part right here, whatever. Came with some bolts as well and washers. Most likely, you're probably not going to use these because I don't know if they're going to fit or not. Grade are they? 8.8. These are grade 8 bolts, I guess. Shit, whoop. You can see. Sick. Whatever. Alright, let's get to it. Ooh, look at that. Alright, now that we got the fender out and we could actually get to the bolts right there. Oh my god, look at that. Whoopsie. Okay, no, wait. Okay, getting sidetracked. Whoopsie. Alright, first things first. Oh shit, almost tripped. Let's get this thing out. Because I seen in another video that they took all these hinges out. All these hinges out right here, and they forgot to take this off. Which I guess would be a pain. Alright, let's take that off and let's go. Move this piece to 10mm bolts. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is basically put blue tape right here and down here, so that way you could scrape a line onto it with blue marker, so that way the door is lined up perfectly, so when you put the door on, it's not going to be crooked or anything like that. But the Lambo doors have some adjusters on there, so that you could make it higher or lower, so we'll get to that later. So let's put some tape and get started. Cool, now we're set. Alright, and I think I figured out where these little things do. These little things do. These are for when you put them on the door right here, so you don't lose, you keep the gap. So we keep the gap between the door and this sill right here. Alright, let's get started to take off these bolts right here. Take off these bolts and get started on the swap. Oh shit. It's already too much work. Oh my god. Can't it just be done already? now I gotta test fit, make sure I don't have to do any modifications to it. Hopefully I don't, because it's gonna be too much work to do this shit. Alright. Let me mount you somewhere right here. Oh, what am I pointing right here? Nope. Somewhere right here. Yeah, look at that engine though. Oh my god, that engine. Yeah! Alright, cool. Got you guys there. So, let's try to test fit this baby. Hopefully it fits. Take this shit off though. Alright, cool. Right here. What the heck? Dude, you guys see? Oh shit, I'm blocking it. Look at that. Look at that. Let me put a bolt in there so we could secure this sheet. Well, let me try one of the supply bolts. See if it works. Hold on, let me see. Oh shit, it works. It fits. Shit. Actually bolts in. They actually sent the right fucking bolts for this thing. Alright, try to use these. Use these for now, just for the video. Afterwards, I'm probably gonna change them to. Just 8 on it, so I don't know. We'll see. If I want to do this shit again, probably might just leave it. Fuck it. That shit goes in. Alright. 13. For sure. Let me get one of the other bolts so I can bolt it on. Dude, this is so sick. Dude, this shit bolts up. Yeah, because most people have to do like welding and shit like that to it. That shit's actually bolt on to the fucking. Oh my god, this is so sick. Cool. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Alright, the bolt holes, they line up on this kit. I'm still holding the door with my freaking knee. Alright, everything's pretty much mounted on this thing. I have the bolts right there. I actually went ahead and installed this. So, yes, everything's bolted up. Just gonna check, make sure the door opens up and stays within the lines over here. Right there. Hopefully they line up perfect when I open it and close it. Or when I open it, hopefully it doesn't fall down. Plus there's like some adjusters right here too. Adjusters right there. Little Allen keys. I mean, yeah, like this, basically like this. Adjust it, whatever. So yeah, if it's just from there. So open the door, see what's up. Oh my god, it's so exciting. Oh, you guys can see the whole thing. Alright, and there you go. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh my god, oh my god, what the hell? Oh shit, it's up. Oh, it's up! Oh my god, I can't believe I fucking have Lambo doors. What the? Oh shit. Oh my god, look. So that's basically a bolt-on. This was a bolt-on, what the fuck? I was expecting to do some modifications to this. Yeah, I don't have the door panels on this. I took it off to get the whole race car. Sick. No, to get the whole race car thing, because I have a full cage. Probably do an update, because I think the last video I did was when I was actually building the roll cage. Probably do an update later on, or just, you know, let me know in the comments if you guys want to check it out. If I could do an update, because I think the last video I did was an update of this car, so basically do another update of this car. Just kidding, whatever's. But holy shit, that is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, look at that. Sick. Oh my god, look at that. yeah, at first I was kind of against Lambo doors, but after seeing them in person and like actually looking at the cars with the Lambo doors, ooh my god, that looks so sick. Alright, trying to put the fender on. Since the other fender would have the little vent right here along this line right here, I wasn't able to run them, but I had these. I did it for a trade a while ago. I think these are Origin fenders. They're a little bit wider than my, oh my god, I almost tripped on the freaking hinge. He's like, oh, you took me off, bastard. I'll make you fall. Just kidding. Well, these are a little bit wider than my D-Max ones, the D-Max fenders that I had. Well, that I have still. They're just over there in the mess right there. Yeah, I didn't want to rock these because if these are actually real Origin fenders, they kind of fit like shit. So, but we'll try these out. I was like, it's gonna clear already because these don't have that vent that's right here. Hope these work. Luckily I have these, man. Shit. If I didn't have these, I would have been fucked. Alright. Fender's mounted up. Open the door to make sure it's not hitting anywhere. Not hitting. Hitting a little rubber part. I cut that out. Okay. Sick! It's not hitting anywhere. So basically gonna have to run these babies. I'm gonna run these fenders, these Origin fenders. Yeah, well, they don't fit too bad. Yeah, I've seen some other ones before where this portion right here where it mounts, it'll be like flipped upwards. Like would it be like basically like that. Instead of it being flat, it would be upwards like that. So these fit pretty good. So, dude, we got some Lambo doors. Oh. Yeah, it's not rubbing at all, just on the little rubber grommet thing right there for the wiring, but other than that, pretty good. Whew. Close like normal doors. Look at that. And they line up too. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. For the Lambo door install. Damn, holy shit. Dude, that's gonna get some getting used to. So hopefully I can, you know, show it off at some car meets or maybe a show. Well, not really a car show because this car is just nothing but primer and it's beat to shit too. So, well, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, guys, and let me know what's up. Peace.